First day 30, then 55, then 40, then 60, then 70. Add them. The answer is 255. Now average toy bike sold equals to 255 upon 5. How many number of elements? 5. So answer is 51. So average toy bike sold equals to 51. Now what is the cost of one toy bike? 43.60. So what will be the average amount earned then? 51 into 43.60. So that becomes rupees 2223.6. Consider the weights of 8 students in kgs in a particular class. Which of the following is in ascending order? Now, following means mean, mode and median. You have to find all three and which of them are in ascending order. So, what is the mean? Mean means average. Average means total upon number of elements. So, total is 300 upon number of elements 8 equals to 37.5. Now, mode. What is the mode? Mode means that number which comes maximum times. So which comes maximum times? 35. So that comes 3 times. So 35 is the mode. Now median. Median means there are 2 steps. These are even elements, 8 elements. That's why there are 2 steps. Arrange them in ascending order. That is common for even or odd. Then if even number of elements, then median equals to n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term. That means first in ascending all these, and then n upon 2 means 4th term, and n upon 2 plus 1 means 5th term. 35 plus 36 upon 2, that is 35.5. Now lowest to highest ascending. So lowest mode, median and then mean. That is the ascending order. The line graph shows the number of books Amar read in last 4 months of the year. The number of books he read in December as a fraction of total number of books he read is, first find the total, 4 plus 2 plus 10 plus 8, 24. Now required fraction is December upon total. So 8 upon 24, 8 1 the 8 3 is 1 by 3, that is 0.33. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanation directly on your mobile. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.